This week's Torah portion is entitled Re'eh. Re'eh means to see, to behold. It goes from Devarim or Deuteronomy 11:26 to 16:17. The parsha opens with the words, "See, I have placed before you this day a blessing or a curse." Moshe explains the blessings and the curses available when HaShem brings the children of Israel into the land of Canaan. A blessing if they choose to follow HaShem as commanded, or a curse if they choose the alternative. On entering the land, they must destroy all traces of idolatry and establish a central site that HaShem will choose for worship, to offer sacrifices, and to eat consecrated food. Moshe then issues further warnings about idolatry, false prophets, clean and unclean animals, to include the prohibition of eating blood, the observance of the 10% tithes for presentation, the Sabbatical year of rest for the land, when all debts are to be cancelled, and when all Hebrew slaves are to be set free. They were told explicitly, do not add or subtract from these commandments. The parsha ends with the mitzvot or commandments for the 3 pilgrimage feasts, Pesach, Passover, Shavuot, the Feast of Weeks, and Sukkot, the Feast of Tabernacles or the Feast of Booths, when the nation is to celebrate and the men appear before HaShem at the central place of worship. The Haftorah for Parashat Re'eh is found in Isaiah 54:11 to 55:5. Isaiah mentions that Israel is like one who has been tossed about by storm. HaShem will pave our floors and gates with precious gems, not only in the temple and Jerusalem, but throughout the land. All children will study Torah and the ways of God, and they will have great peace. Righteousness will be established throughout the earth, and those who oppose HaShem will come to revere him. All who thirst will come to drink from the well springs of Torah. Torah will become food and water, sustenance for all. The Haftorah ends with David HaMelech, King David's descendant, the Mashiach, ruling over the nations. Here's a question I would like for you to consider the answer to. Whose lenses have you been peering through? Now the Torah portion begins with the word Re'eh. Re'eh means to see, to behold. It speaks to a vision we must align ourselves to so that our purpose can come to full manifestation. Whose vision? From whose vantage point must we look from? Always from HaShem's viewpoint, through his spectacles, through his binoculars, through his telescope. When we align ourselves with readiness to look through our spiritual eyes, to peer through HaShem's visionary telescope, all our blessings will come to us. Looking through his supernatural telescope will allow us to materialize what we see here on earth, in our personal lives, in our relationships, in our business ventures, and in all aspects of our lives. So I ask again, whose lenses have you been peering through? See your purpose fulfilled through HaShem's lenses so that you and your community, your nation, will receive blessings. Shabbat Shalom.